Hi, I'm Jackie from Chirp magazine, and this is my science assistant, Elyse. Hi, Elyse.
Hi.
Today, Elyse and I are going to be making ice crystals in a jar. So for this experiment, you need a clear bowl or jar, 1 cup of Epsom salts, 1 cup of very hot tap water, and a few drops of food coloring or liquid watercolor paint. So the first thing we do, Elyse, is we're going to pour our salt into our jar. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Very careful. Very good. And next, we're going to pour the hot water into the jar.
Okay.
You can pour it all in. At the same time, I'm going to add a couple drops of food coloring. Now we're going to stir it all up so the salt dissolves. You want to stir it for about 2 minutes so all the crystals are gone.
Okay.
Once most of the salt is dissolved, you're going to put your bowl in the freezer for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you're going to take it out and move it to the fridge and leave it there overnight. So when you check your bowl the next day, you'll see some icy looking crystals have grown inside, and you can pour out the extra water to get a better look. So what happens is the hot water dissolves the salt, and once the water cools down in the fridge and in the freezer, the salt crystals try to reform again into a solid, but they can't, so they form these amazing ice crystals instead. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a good experiment?
Yeah.
Yeah.